This is a demo of the CRM solution developed for ITS. This is Brad. Brad is a first-year student in the Architectural Technician program, and he's having trouble accessing his Blackboard account. Brad is going to visit the new IT Help Center to resolve his issue. Brad can type his question in the search bar. He can also review the frequently asked questions to see if one of the top articles can help him resolve his issue. He can also watch a tutorial to learn how to use the features of the Help Center. Or Brad can search by category. At the bottom of the page, he can open a case, visit ITS, or call for more help. Brad types Blackboard into the main search bar. A list of search results related to Blackboard comes up. Brad opens a knowledge base article. Here he can read the information, provide feedback on how useful the article was, and also see a list of related articles. If Brad doesn't find his answer, he can go back to the list of articles or start a new keyword search. Brad has not been able to solve his issue, so he is going to open a case with ITS. Brad fills out the form with his contact information and the nature of his question. This will automatically create a case in the Service Cloud console. When Brad submits his case, he gets an automatic confirmation that his case has been created. He also has the option to upload a file, such as a screenshot, to provide more details. Now we can go into Salesforce and take a look at Brad's case. This is Chris Greeley's Salesforce dashboard. From here, he can go directly to the Service Console and view the list of all open cases. In the case view, we see a list of all open cases. We can also at a glance see the details, the priority, and the origin. Chris clicks on the case to open the detailed view. Chris can now see the case details as well as relevant knowledge base articles. The first thing Chris is going to do is take ownership of the case. This means that Chris will now be responsible for managing the case through to resolution, even if he brings other team members into the case. Any actions or tasks related to the case management are logged in the case detail. Chris can attach a file, add a team member, log an activity, or send a communication to his client. Chris can send Brad an email requesting more information. He can choose whether or not to send it to Brad's personal email or his Algonquin account. In the email, Chris can suggest a course of action or set up a session so that Chris can remotely log into Brad's machine to resolve the issue. When the issue has been resolved, Chris can go to the top of the case detail and close the case. Chris changes the status of the case to closed. He can also categorize the resolution for reporting purposes. The details of the case resolution, including the comments, will be automatically sent to Brad in an email notifying him of the closure of his case. The email will also include a customer satisfaction survey so that Brad can let ITS know how satisfied he was with their service. Brad's case is now closed, and here is a copy of the email that he received. Survey results and all other data related to case management is published in real time on the ITS dashboard.